something is like flaky. Yeah, I know it's very disgusting. Hello everyone and welcome to the Bong Doll Official. I recently came to Germany and I realized that I have started to have a lot of dandruff. You really don't have control over it. I think it's very natural. It's because I think it's happening because I'm in a different environment and here it's more cold. So I think my body is not used to with this kind of temperature. So I guess that's why I started to have this issue, but I started to look for resolutions because I'm planning to stay here for some time, so definitely I need to find ways to cope up with this weather and my scalp issue. So I did a lot of research and I found out that mayonnaise is very healthy for your hair and it keeps your hair moisturized, and also it gives you all the nutritions that your hair requires. So I thought I'm gonna try this mask. I had some hair oil on my hair, so you can see it looks very oily right now, and I'm not sure because nobody really like different YouTubers had different opinions whether you should apply an oil before or not. So I'm not gonna wash my hair and then apply the mayonnaise. I'm straight away planning to apply mayonnaise with this hair. You have to dampen your hair and then apply the mayonnaise. Alright, so now I'm in my bathroom and I am ready to dampen my hair with some water. I think a spray bottle would really help because it will just give you the amount of water that you require to dampen your hair. So I'm just done with the first step and now I'm gonna move on to the next. This is the mayonnaise I bought here in Germany, and I am very good at German, so I can really explain what all are the content of this mayonnaise. I'm joking, but I know it's mayonnaise, so it's supposed to have some eggs and a lot of oils. So yeah, I'm trusting the German brand, and yeah, let's get started. This much amount, it's almost like one big spoon of mayonnaise for one side of the hair. I want to cover all my hair with the mayonnaise. And I'm not really sure if you're supposed to apply this mayonnaise only on the hair or if you can apply this also on your scalp. So yeah, I'm gonna just do that. I'm gonna apply it on my scalp also. I guess I've had enough amount of mayonnaise spread throughout my head. I also tried to put it on my scalp because that's where I think I need to have a lot of moisture and nutrition. So hopefully, I'm just really hoping that it works and I don't really have to struggle anymore with dandruff. And guys, really, if you think that you have a better idea for me, please let me know in the comment section below. I would really be very happy to try your ideas, and yeah, I am definitely gonna continue this video because of course in a day or two I wouldn't know if this mayonnaise hack worked or not. So yeah, now as I'm done with the application, I'm just going to wrap my hair around like this, and I'm gonna put a plastic cap on my head so that everything stays in place. My hair just doesn't want to stay. Okay, so here is my plastic and I'm just gonna put my head inside like this. Oh my god, it's a very big plastic. I'm just using a rubber band to tighten this plastic around my head. I think it will be really easy with a shower cap next time. If this works, I'm definitely gonna buy a shower cap for my next time application. Okay, so I'm now gonna let this mask set on my head for as long as an hour. Alright, so now I'm gonna take off this plastic. It has been almost an hour that I had this on my head. Ooh, now I'm quickly gonna wash my hair and dry it, and then I will come back to you. So I just got out of the shower and I really wanted to quickly show you the hair products that I used. This is, by the way, not a sponsored video. I am just showing you this product because it will help us to recognize if this product works well with the mayonnaise or no. So this is the shampoo that I'm sorry, there is water dripping. So this is Thanx shampoo that I have, and this is the Thanx conditioner. So this is just after 4 or 5 hours from the time I had the mayonnaise on my hair. I decided not to blow dry my hair because somehow I felt it was not right after this nice treatment. So I just waited and waited for the hair to get dry on its own. My hair feels very fluffy, very soft. I did not even comb my hair, so this is exactly how I left it after removing the towel. At the moment, I am super happy that I do not see any uh, dandruff. I'm really hoping that by the end of this week I will see some very good results with the dandruff issue. I'm gonna record myself every day until next week. So yeah, I will catch you tomorrow morning now. Alright, so this is day 2 of reviewing my hair quality. So I did not apply any kind of hair product. I only comb my hair. This is how my hair looks like. It looks really shiny. That's something that I have to admit. It is, I feel it feels much better when I touch it. It's more smooth and soft, but our main concern was whether this mask will work on a dry scalp or a scalp which has a lot of dandruff. So let's begin. I have thoroughly checked my head already on a mirror, and I did not find any dandruff as yet. It is day 2, so we need to really record this for another 2-3 days to realize if I will get any dandruff later. So this is exactly the condition of my hair right now. Hopefully it will remain the same until the end of the week. So yeah, I'm gonna come back tomorrow morning also and show you how my hair looks like. Good morning and welcome to day 3. I also forgot previously to mention that I started to have a lot of hair fall issue. I'm gonna comb my hair and show you the condition of my hair fall for now. So this is the amount of hair fall that I got. And now let's check my scalp. I haven't checked it yet, so I'm gonna film it first and then go to the bathroom and thoroughly check, or maybe I can also check it in the video. Alright, so I'm back after checking my scalp, and I'm really happy to notice that majority of my head looks really healthy. I do not have a very flaky scalp. Most of my scalp looks really neat, but yes, there is a bit of dandruff around the hair, around the roots, but I think that's all right because it's the amount is really less as compared to the last week. So if I may continue using this mask, it might help me in the future to get rid of dandruff completely. So I think I'm really happy with the result until now. Let's see how my hair looks tomorrow morning. Good morning and welcome to day 4. So I just woke up, as you can hear from my voice. So I'm quickly gonna brush my hair and then show you what's the condition of my hair today. So this is the amount of hair which is more than what fell down yesterday. Okay, so now we will check my scalp. Um, Alright, so as compared to the previous days, my scalp is more dry. That shows on my scalp. Also, I have a bit of dandruff.
Good morning and welcome to day 5. So I'm quickly gonna use my brush to brush my hair, and I just want to inform you here that I had to use a conditioner last night because I went for swimming and I had to remove the chlorine water from my hair. So I only used conditioner. I did not use any shampoo. So that's the amount of hair which fell. I think it's not a lot for the second time wash. And now let's quickly check my scalp. Of course, because I did wash my hair and used conditioner, I could hardly see any dandruff. Initially, I decided to wash my hair only on the 7th day, but maybe conditioning it 2 times in a week is a good idea.
Hello and welcome to day 6 of our review. I really like the quality of my hair today. It looks very chic and very ready for my next video. So yeah. Alright, so that's the amount of hair. It literally is one strand of hair, and please trust me, I did not do anything since the morning to my hair. I just put on my makeup and I was just about to start to do something with my hair, so I came to record this quickly. Let's check my scalp. Okay, so I guess we are done for today. Hello and welcome to the day 7. I am so excited because today is the last day of the review, and let's just quickly go and see how my hair looks like. So first of all, brush. Okay, so that's the amount of hair, which looks a lot for some people, but I think for my personal hair condition, this is also not a lot because I used to have really a lot of hair fall before. So now let's quickly go and check the scalp. Alright, so according to day 7, I could see quite some dandruff on my head. I think as compared to my previous condition, it has really improved. I can say drastically is not an understatement. So definitely I think this hair treatment worked for me well. So quickly I'm gonna give you a recap. I had hair oil on my head, then I applied mayonnaise on my wet hair, and then I washed my hair with a shampoo and conditioner, and then after 3 days I conditioned my hair again because I went for swimming and I had to wash my hair, so I used only conditioner because there was no need to use shampoo just to remove the chlorine from my hair. And then I did not do much. I did not use any heat throughout these 7 days. And today is the last day, and you saw the condition. I still have some dandruff left. I feel my hair fall issue has noticeably improved, and also my dandruff issue. I have no complaints, and I think it really worked well for me, and I'm definitely gonna do this every week. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful for you also. If you have any suggestions for me, in case if I could mix something in my mayonnaise, or if I could use a better shampoo, please let me know in the comment section below. I will see you next week. Until then, bye bye.